So wait, so how much your
With the nonprofit, they only charge $349 or 2 payments of $185. That's it.
to do what? How many times they send the letters out and stuff?
3 rotations, and it's tailored to your needs. So it's not deleting anything, because if you delete it, that shows that you don't have any trade lines. You don't want that.
So what do
They show paid as agreed. So if you're backed up in a credit card bill and you've been paying it for the last 6 years and you fall behind the last 2, show paid as agreed. You've been paying it all along. Why delete it versus reversing it?
How you get it reversed though?
That's their job. That's what we let them do. That's why they're accredited by the IRS. They're the experts.
Okay, good. Wait a second.
Yeah, so that way we don't have to worry about it, because when Ben and I send these people over there, we know, because I flew to Atlanta to check out their office to make sure they're legit. So we trust them, like they're taking care of the business with that.
Yeah.
Now with the other companies, we didn't know that it's illegal to be charged monthly. They don't use the term credit restoration. They use credit repair, or they'll use, like Lexicon Law, they have paralegals. So they don't say credit restoration. You ever notice that? Yeah, survey says.
I'm going to chop it with you on that.
Yes. So that's how that works.
Okay.
Put the fire on the agent real quick.
And they have to talk. 52 minutes.